Are you ready to paint a tree? In this project, we'll use paint and our fingers to learn about colors, the environment, and fine motor skills. For this project, you need red, blue, and yellow paint and a piece of paper. First, mix the paints until you get the colors red, green, and brown. Remember, yellow and blue paint makes green paint, and red, yellow, and blue paint makes brown paint. Second, place your thumb in the brown paint and press your thumb repeatedly on the paper until you make a tree trunk. Add some brown branches as well. Third, add some leaves by pressing your thumb on the green paint and then the red paint. You might even want to add some leaves on the ground. Now you can sit back and admire your masterpiece. Nice job!